Tonight on Sandwich Dad. Hello. In another installment of the Sandwiches of Canada series, today we're making Halifax Donair. Yes, the official food of all Haligonians and Maritimers alike. It's ground beef, breadcrumbs, paprika, cayenne, garlic and onion powder, oregano, thyme, ground coriander, salt, and pepper. Mix well, slam down to get any air bubbles out, and form into a nice tight oval. In the oven at 300 degrees. Now typically your donair is like a kebab. It's roasted on a big spit and they just shave parts off of it, but I don't have one of those. Now for the Halifax Donair sauce, we take sweetened condensed milk, quarter cup of white vinegar, and half teaspoon or so garlic powder. Mix, and let it sit in the fridge for a minute. And when it's done, it'll look something like this, and we'll let it cool down for a few minutes. And when we're ready, we'll chop up some onion and tomato. Then we'll take our donair meat and do some thin slices this way. Those toast in a nice hot pan. And for our pita, we'll be using some balade bread, which is sort of an Egyptian pita-esque flatbread. Warm that up on top of the meat. Okay, donair meat's looking good. Got the pita on some foil. And we'll spoon on that donair sauce. Start placing our meats, and then we top with onion, tomato, and of course, more donair sauce. Wrap it up. I've wrapped it in a bit of foil to help handle it better, and that is our Halifax Donair sandwich. And now, the taste test. Does it taste like the end of a raucous night in downtown Halifax on that corner where all the donair is? Yeah, a little bit. I mean, I'm no king of donair, but it's pretty darn good. Sandwich Dad and yogurt-covered sandwich lad saying to Halifax and everyone else, good day!